Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have 2 boxes to unbox with you today for Stampin' Up. So let's go ahead and see what's in the first box. All right. So here we go. Let me get this out of the way. We've got so much stuff. Oh, I was running low on envelopes, so I did pick up some very vanilla and some basic white envelopes. Another one, I go through basic white like crazy. But let me see what else we got here. Oh, you guys, this one box is, I got the gnome stuff, right? So I got the Kindest Gnomes. So cute. And then the Gnomes dies as well. So I got that bundle. Of course, I saved 10% because you get it in the bundle. I also picked up the gold ribbon. This is a gold shimmer ribbon. You know how every so often things slip by you in the catalog? This was one of them. I didn't see it, and then I saw it. I'm like, oh, I need that for sure. And then I got the Fine Sparkle adhesive back gems, and that goes very well with the, what's it called? Storybook Gnomes paper. So to see the colors, they all go so well. So I cannot wait to move forward with these gnomes. You will see more of that. What else do we have here? We got the other box. Let's open that one. Oh, yes. This one has, let's see, has a couple kits in it. And then I picked up some more of these little Stampin' Up boxes. They are on clearance. You guys make sure you check out the clearance because they have that. And then they have this ribbon. What ribbon is this? This is the braided linen trim. I picked up a couple of those. You guys, they're less than $3 each. So check out the clearance rack. And then this stuff I got because I wanted to get the birthday kit. So this is the birthday kit. Birthday card organizing kit. Let's open this up because I am kind of excited. Wanted to see what all it is. And I love the boxes. The Stampin' Up boxes, because you could put your own stuff in there, right? And it's not, it just says Stampin' Up on it. So, love it. Got that. All right, it comes with some double-sided sticky tape. This is the birthday card kit. So, let's see here. All right, I'm going to move these envelopes and stuff out of the way for you so we can get a real good look, right? There you go. All right, we've got some dimensionals. We've got some, what are they called? Sparkles. What are they called? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Tell me what the name of these are. And then we've got some dots there. Let's see if it'll tell me what all is in there so I can see what the name is. Because it does come with instructions. And let's see if it tells me what's in there. Gives me the colors. Nope, it doesn't tell me what the name of those are. I cannot believe that I am spacing it on the name of that. So here we go. This is the card kit. And we have enough to make how many cards? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 cards, you guys. Enough to make 12 cards. And then we have the bases for the cards. Oh, look at that. These are the bases for those cards. We've got some cutouts. This looks kind of like it should be DSP is what we're going to be using that as. We've got these great cards as well. Cutouts, and then this. So we've got a bunch of those. We've got the months of the year in different languages. So we've got that. We've got this. It says it's your day. Also different languages. And I think these are stickers. They are stickers. Same with these. I'm going yes. Okay. So we've got some stickers there. We got some more. These are not stickers. These are just cutouts. This is the happiest birthday. Those are little sayings. And these are stickers as well. And then here's the book. Let's open up this book. It is binded nicely. We're going to open that up, and you can stick all your stuff in here. You can put something there. And then you can put your months here. It's got the days. That starts with January because it has 31 days there. So we got January, February. Are they all the same? Well, let's look at February. Oh, you can do it however you'd like. It's got 31 days on every one. So you do what you like. So you do not have to start with January if you don't want to. And then you just put your cards. You put your cards in here. You put your cards in here. You might want to have some, like, money in here maybe. So, or gift cards in here. So you can just put it all together, send it out, and you can always have this with you if you'd like. How cool is that? I am super excited. I may get my butt back on and get another one. I think I will be using this for my Sip and Stamp this month. So if you want to do Sip and Stamp, grab yourself the birthday kit if you want to do the Sip and Stamp with me. If you want to do another, Sip and Stamp, you can always do whatever you'd like. So if you decide you're going to join my team, you might want to pick up that birthday card kit. That would be fun. So, speaking of joining my team, this one is called the Best Remedy Kit. Speaking of joining my team, there is a great sign-up special going on right now. So, for $99, which is the normal price, you can get $155 worth of product that you choose. So, this is a kit. This one is called the Best Remedy. Again, it's got that great Stampin' Up box. Let's see. So this is called the Best Remedy Kit. And it has, let's see. A little birdie told me that you were under the weather. Feel better soon. I'm here for you. Sorry, life stinks sometimes. Even though this stinks. Well, that stinks. And ice cream is the best remedy for this. So you've got ice cream cone. You got a little ice pack for his head. a flower pot, and then you've got this little skunk there. Okay, I saw these and I'm like, oh, look at those sequins. So, these are called sequins. It just happens, guys. It just happens. Let's see. They gave us the Starry Night Stampin' Spot for this one. And let's see. You guys, if you are in Arizona, I'm going to be doing the Women's Expo in Glendale. That's on the 15th. So if you want to come by, say hello, do a little stamping with me, we can do that together. So let's look at this. Oh, look, it came with its own block because it is a kit. So we've got that kit. I was going to say the birthday card one didn't come with a block, but that's because there's no stamping. But there we go. And what else? We've got the sequins and some dimensionals. So I love that it comes with its own block. Let's see what else we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 different cards with the envelopes. This would be another one that you can like do all the cards up, stick them in your planner, and put them in there. Because you know what? People sometimes have surgeries and things like that. And if you note the date of their surgery, put it in the birthday planner. Because it doesn't say birthday on it. So it could just be a planner for your month. So you could put anniversaries in there. You can put scheduled events. Look at that. Isn't that cute with the little crosshatch? I'm going to move that out of the way because we're looking at the backs right now. These backs, we've got this little pool party base there. And then this base, which has all the different rainbow colors. There's that little guy again. He's holding some flowers. We got a cute little mouse. And then there's that little birdie that goes around telling people that you are under the weather. So there's that. We've got some nice background already embossed for you. Paper there. We have some cutouts that are ready to be stamped. And then we've got some more embossed paper cutouts there. Some glue dots. And then the instructions on how to make those cards. So hold on. I was looking at the white. They are actually blue embossed. So that is really cool. That's that Starry Night color there. And then these are the cards. Of course, they come with all the instructions. And I am now looking and seeing that I didn't show you these. So we've got some nice, I don't know, is that Parakeet Party or Granny Apple Green here? And then we've got some polka dots, and then these big, huge hearts. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, is I already know that I'm going to take off one of these hearts and use this and make myself a nice little heart stencil. So there are alternatives already waiting to happen. So that is fun. And then again, it comes with the instructions to make all of those cards. And then of course you can do your own alternatives as well. So you guys, I hope you like this. If you do decide that you want to get anything, you can go to beautyandthestamper.com. Use my host code. All you do is place an order through beautyandthestamper.com. It'll take you to my actual online shop, which is jeanpiercani.stampinup.net. And I will put all the links in the description down below. And while I do the down below, you guys, would you mind giving me a big thumbs up? I appreciate it. It really helps my channel. And I just adore all of you and the way you support me every day. So, if you wanted to join my team for that smoking deal, $99, you get $155 worth of product that you can choose. And then you get to save 20 to 25% on each of your purchases after that. So, you guys, I would love to have you on my team. And we just have a great time getting together multiple times each month. And my next team meeting is on Thursday. So I can't wait to see you guys there. All right, have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.